Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to discuss how to insert a PDF in Google Doc. Let's begin. First, open your Google Doc. Okay. Now, just click on this home page. After this, you can see a menu option, main menu. Click on this. Now, on the bottom, you can see here Drive option. Click on Drive. Now here, select the PDF. Right click on this. Now you can see here a share option. Go and share, copy link. Now again come back on your doc. Paste the link. You can see here the PDF is uploaded in doc. I hope you find this video very useful. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you.